So this is why your member-owned insurance company can save more money on insurance than any other possible scenario. And this is not because of us, Charter Partners, but because of the quality of the members we have. I want to introduce you to Ryan and Bob McGann from McGann and Chester in Pittsburgh. They're the largest and best commercial tower in Pittsburgh. They have a situation where one of their vehicles is about a $275,000 vehicle, is going up over hill, coming down the other side, cannot stop. There's a vehicle parked on the hill on the other side, does not have the ability to stop, clips that vehicle, goes off into a ditch, and thank God nobody got hurt, but we've totaled both vehicles. And so, and this is what they did in order to manage that claim to reduce the cost for you, because you take the first $500,000 in risk. So every dollar they save is yours. Check this story out. This is why this works.
So we did our best to mitigate the claim. We contacted a towing company out there. We went out and got the truck ourselves to clear the scene. We stored it at our facility. We, instead of replacing the whole unit as a unit, we separated it. We took the back end off of it and bought a new chassis for $60,000 or somewhere in that range, and did the work ourselves. And we, rebuilt the unit by replacing the chassis instead of just scrapping the whole unit.
Right. Well, and the insurer, Bob, offered you the full 200,000, right? And you guys,
correct.
And what did the claim end up? It would have been 213. What do you think it ended up being?
Well, 213 for our vehicle, plus the other vehicle, plus the towing charges that we didn't get, plus the tow back here, storage, environmental spill. So I don't know what that total would have been, but we ended up with 60,000 all in.
Right. So we probably go ahead.
That's 60,000 to the captive, 65 maybe. And then we were, we had some incidentals. We had to mount the unit. We had to change it. We had labor, disposables, materials.
That you covered yourself, you mean?
Yeah. So there's another, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 out of our pocket.
So the 150. So the captive, your partners in the captive. Unfortunately, this thing happened. But what you did do was you saved your partners $150,000 by doing this. Why would you do that? Mostly people take the money and run. Why do the McGanns decide how does it serve you?
We understand if you turn in a lot of claims under a normal policy that your insurance is going to go up, whether it's your fault or not. It's claims. It's all, they have a method for figuring that out. One is I'm friends with all these people in the captive, and I don't want to do the walk of shame and have to sit in a meeting and be that guy that turned in. So we hadn't had knock wood, we had no claims for quite some time. And then we joined a captive, and all of a sudden, 9-10 days in, we got jinxed. And, it's going to happen to everybody. But, you sit there and watch the waste that goes on in insurance companies, with just paying these things off and sending them to salvage. We have the tools to fix it and make it a little bit better.
Yep. Perfect.
We do this every day. We have a little bit unique experience. We are in the towing industry. We understand these accidents, how the process works, and we see the inefficiencies in it. And we talk about it all the time. Why did they send a second adjuster down? Why did they do this? Why did they do that? They're just costing themselves money and being inefficient in the process, costing them downtime. We recognize that and know that we can do it better. And if we do it better, that saves the captive money, which ultimately saves us money on our premium because we're lower risk.
And if the adjusters were part of our network and had a little skin in the game, they'd probably react the same way we did.
I like it. All right. Hey, I appreciate, you guys are great. I can't tell you how much I appreciate having you as part of our team. You're givers, and and Don Blood is calling me right now.
Imagine that. I've talked to him twice today. He's talked to him twice, and Judy's talked to him once.
Don, our captive ambassador is working the deals here. He's a good man. Yes. So anyway, hey, I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you. Do I have your permission? Yep. Do I have your permission to share this with the network?
Yes,
absolutely.
All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Thank you.
Have a good day, Tom.
Thanks.